What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SafeMoon coin. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So, what is the SafeMoon protocol? The SafeMoon protocol is a community-driven fair launch DeFi token. 3 simple functions occur during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition and burn. And let's continue with their official Twitter page. For now they have 477.6 thousand followers. This number is still growing and it is very good for this token. And we have major news that was tweeted just 7 hours ago. Certic audit complete. It's official. SafeMoon has been audited. Thank you, certic.org. And here is the audit report. Let me show you that it was published on May the 3rd. And here is the summary. Let me quote you just several paragraphs. This report has been prepared for SafeMoon smart contracts to discover issues and vulnerabilities in the source code of their smart contracts, as well as any contract dependencies that were not part of an officially recognized library. A comprehensive examination has been performed utilizing dynamic analysis, static analysis, and manual review techniques. The auditing process pays special attention to the following considerations: testing the smart contracts against both common and uncommon attack vectors, assessing the codebase to ensure compliance with current best practices and industry standards, ensuring contract logic meets the specific and the intentions of the client, cross-referencing contract structure and implementation against similar smart contracts produced by industry leaders, thorough line-by-line manual review of the entire codebase by industry experts. So, this audit, it is a very good milestone for this token, and this audit covers all the technical issues that might be with the token itself. This means the rock on wars, you can see that we have this common FUD, and for now this bullet is completely eliminated with Certic security report. And it is very good for now for SafeMoon protocol that it has this type of document. But on top of this news, we don't have any more news related to this protocol for now. And basically my yesterday concerns in my video was because we don't have much fundamental news, and that's why, in my opinion, we don't have much fuel to see next all-time high. And let me show you what I'm talking about. And for now I'm on poolcoin.app because on dex.guru we have again this weird structure, and I don't think that we might rely on this structure, especially around this key level of 0.65 and 0.618. That's why let's continue with this analysis and with this chart. So guys, to be clear, on my yesterday's video I've told you that we are on downtrend. And let me give you a definition of a downtrend or an uptrend. So, what does it mean that we are in downtrend? It means that on a certain period of time we have lower highs and lower lows. And as you can see, we have this high. Next one is this one, major pivot point. Next one somewhere here, it might be next major pivot point. And for now we have this one. And we have lower highs. Next, our major lowest points, this lowest point and this one, and we have lower lows. This means technically from the 20th of April we are still in downtrend. And guys, if we compare it with this price action, right here we have higher highs and higher lows. This means from this point to this point, of course, we are in uptrend, and you have to define the different time frames on a chart. And on top of that, guys, if you want me to say that SafeMoon will make 100x or 1000x or something like that, it is not about my channel and about my technical analysis. If you want to know the real information from the technical standpoint about certain asset, then welcome, and you can subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you will have the most precise technical analysis that you can have for now with the SafeMoon token. Otherwise, you can rely on different YouTubers, on those who just screaming that it will skyrocket and it will make 100x or 1000x or 10,000x in nearest future. Basically, to clarify the situation even more, I am still on a long term. As you can see from the beginning to this point, I am still bullish, because from the technical standpoint, from the very beginning, we still have higher highs. As you can see, each and every peak is higher than the previous one, and we have higher lows. This low, this low, this low, and for now even this low is higher than all the previous ones. That's why on a greater scale we are bullish, and on this scale right here we are bullish. But from this point to this point we are bearish, and you have to realize the difference between these definitions. So what should we expect next? Basically, right here I will show you that from this point, from this top to this bottom, we have these Fibonacci retracement levels, and we've almost hit the most critical point of 0.65 and 0.618. Statistically, it is the most probable level of trend reversal. This means from this point we might go lower, and let me show you on a 4-hour time frame indicator. As you can see, here we have previous tops, and we've almost hit these tops with our current action, and we have also decline in our tops. This means we also in bearish trend. But from this point, of course, we are bullish, and it 100% correlate with my previous statement that on a smaller scale we are bullish, and on a greater scale we are bearish, and on the most biggest scale we are still bullish. So in my opinion, we have reloaded the RSI, and we are hovering in the middle of the range, and that's why this point is a critical point for the assets right now. By the time I will post this video, you will have several opportunities. First of all, we might have this as our highest point, and from this point we might go lower. In this case, our next major support should be right here, and the price shouldn't cross this level. On the other hand, if we break this key point of 0.65 and 0.618 and go above this level, then our next major pivot point will be right here. Right here we will have a resistance, and if we break this resistance, then on this scale from this point to this point somewhere here, we will be bullish. Next, our major support slash resistance, for now it is a resistance, is right here, and if we break this level, we will be bullish. And next, of course, will be right here, major resistance right here at all-time highs. And from that point, we establish again new uptrend on this high scale. But for now, we have this as our major resistance, this as our major support, and we have to keep in mind with these 2 points. From the technical standpoint, I have nothing to add to my analysis, and don't get me wrong, guys. SafeMoon, in my opinion, is very technical coin, is very technical protocol, and Certic security proves that I am right. But from the fundamental standpoint, it is all about news, about partnerships, about integrations with different platforms. Only in this case we will have enough fuel to go to the upside. On top of that, guys, let me show you one more thing. To establish a new uptrend and to be bullish with this trend, we have to have more volume during our up movement. And for now we have this volume that is much higher than this one and this one. And that's why we are bearish from this point. That's why you have to rely on technical analysis, and I don't want to give you misinformation. I just want to share you my thoughts with this coin, with this protocol. And with that being said, guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!